Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw an emperor penguin. All right, let's get started. It's gonna be step by step for beginners. All right, this is a very specific, species of penguin, so we're gonna go through it. So let's get started. So right here at the top, we draw a little bit of a curve from the top of the head. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull forward for the beak, and then curve down at the end of the beak. Okay. Pulling back, down, over here, down over here. So we got like his head, his general head shape right there. Pull out just a bit, and he's got a pretty big body down right there. It looks like kind of like a bottle or something. Over here, pull out, down. Over here, out for the chest, and then downward here, curve in here, and now we're going to go down there for the feet. These guys are pretty big. I think emperor are like, I think the biggest penguins. They're pretty huge compared to the other ones. So we're going to draw a line down here for underneath their body, underneath his body. Line down, kind of a separation of the feet there. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw like basically anything, I go over how to draw animals, Sonic, Godzilla, anything. If you like learning how to draw whatever, hit the subscribe right now and click the bell notification. Everything is beginner level, it's short, and honestly, it's just like a lot of fun, and it kind of gets your mind going. So, but yeah, it takes 2 seconds. Hit the subscribe, click the bell notification as well. I'm gonna go right here at the bottom, and I'm gonna go give it this little like U shapes right here. That's gonna be kind of for the feathers ending there at the kind of the very end. And then I'm gonna go over here as well, do the exact same thing. Line over here, in, inward, over here, out, down, in. All right, cool. So we're gonna go down here, and maybe from here I'm gonna draw out and draw that tail. It's got a little bit of a tail there at the end. I ended up going to SeaWorld lately. It was awesome because they had a penguin exhibit. Like, you can actually, touch the penguins and stuff like that. It was really, really amazing. I was like surprised at how fun that was. But yeah, it was pretty amazing to kind of see them. So I'm really inspired. That's why I did this video right now. Line across, pattern right there. Circle down, curve up. Give that pattern, okay? Now we're gonna go over kind of some specific stuff here. So I'm gonna put a line there for underneath the mouth and line right there. And that's gonna be a colored portion. Gonna go right here for the eye, and right at the eye, I'm gonna do a circle. Go over here to the other side and draw his other, I don't know what you call it, like flipper wing. And so now what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna fill in certain areas to make them look more solid. I'm gonna fill in this area black, except for that portion of the mouth. That bottom portion of the mouth there. Line over here. Fill it out. Just kind of filling that out there, except for the eye and that. And it's going to give it like a really strong effect. You're going to see once you do this. It's going to give it a very... If you're doing this in pencil, by the way, you can easily do the exact same thing. Just kind of fill it in. Hopefully you're doing good. If you do want to learn all drawing in general, let's say you want to learn all drawing. You just want to get better at drawing overall. Go to the official website, sketchingeasy.com, and click the dragon. Basically, there's a beginner drawing lesson there, sketchingeasy.com. click the dragon afterward. It's a beginner drawing lesson on how to handle like a pencil, and it gives you the control. So anytime, I'm gonna fill this in by the way. Anytime, so when you draw in general, there's two aspects to drawing. There is controlling your hand, right? Like what I'm doing right now, the muscular portion of it. And then there's the thought, right? The actual like, you know, structure and how to draw things. I teach you the easiest way to go through the physical part. So for example, if you have a shaky hand, I teach you how to get rid of that thing in like a couple weeks. Real simple, really simple to get rid of that. And so that's like half the battle really, is the physical aspect of what you put into this. But if you're interested, like I said, definitely sketchingeasy.com. Click that dragon for that intro lesson. It's like 3 or 4 videos, I think. Totally free, no sign up, nothing. All right, it's gonna continue in here. And I could use a thicker marker, honestly, but I'm just gonna use this one because I actually like the... Also, when you use these Sharpies, turn a fan on, or if you don't turn a fan on, at least do it outside or by a window, because you don't want to be inhaling this stuff. It's not good for your health. And I'm gonna fill in the tail as well, right there. If you want to see more animals, let me know if there's a specific animal, and then I'm gonna do the same thing with the opposite hand. If there's a specific animal that you want to see, let me know, okay? Let me know and I will make it happen. Maybe I'll make like a different version of it, you know, like a specific species if I've already drawn it. Is there a specific dog maybe you want me to draw? Absolutely let me know and I'll make it happen, okay? This channel's all about requests. I talk to people all the time. I'm very easy to reach. That is a big thing. I'm gonna add, and you don't have to do this by the way, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna add a little bit of orange and yellow to this because I think it might be a good idea. So I'm gonna have a marker, and at the mouth, you don't have to do this, it's not, at the mouth right there, I'm gonna fill that in orange. There we go. Fill that in orange, you can barely see it, it's just like a sliver. And around the neck there, I'm gonna throw a little bit of yellow. Nothing too wild, but a little bit. And it's kind of grading, so I'm just gonna throw a little bit of yellow right there. A little bit of yellow at the top of the chest here. Kind of gives it a little bit of character, I think, in my opinion. The feet are dark, but I am gonna put a little bit of, I'm just gonna make them gray because I want to be able to see them. So I'm gonna make them gray, the feet. But I want to thank you very much. Like I said, if you like the video, share the video. Literally, share it somewhere. It's amazing, awesome. Absolutely share the video somewhere, and yeah. When you share the video, it's you know, helps the channel out and stuff like that. So don't forget to like as well. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Later.